What we are seeing in front of us are the massive Kasauli sandstone, the channel fishes. If we try to reconstruct the paleo environment of this 20 million years back approximately, these were massive river channels. All these massive river channels we see today have become sandstones and are in front of us in the form of huge rocks. Now, in the channels, normally we should see a flooding event, or even if the river is flowing, what should we anticipate? Maybe a flooding event happens and some of the trees are uprooted. If trees are uprooted in the channels, so they should be deposited along the channel. So these are the bedding planes, what we are seeing. And if now you see here, this is a fossilized wood trunk. The barks of the fossilized tree trunks are preserved, and the thickness you can see approximately 1 meter dia of these trees. And let us see how long is this fossilized tree is about. Now you see most of this tree is weathered and broken, but we can see the continuity of it. These are fossilized bark again, that is the thickness of the tree. बुच्ची लड़ गई और यहाँ तक पूरे का पूरा पेड़ देख सकते हैं हम यहाँ से ऊपर तक. और ये यहाँ से देखिए आप, again a very well preserved bark here, very well preserved bark. We can see the wood fragments also intact here. Now something is missing here due to erosion and weathering. This is broken again. This same bed continues, and the same tree log we can see here. These are the barks. And this tree is approximately 50 feet long. This is again pura, it's a carbonized wood. Fragments of carbonized woods are also there, but the bark is intact. So this, very well preserved. See the branches, maybe these are the branches, very well. These are the nodes of the tree. Some of the fragmentary woods, very well preserved specimens here. So this is just a fragment of it. Maybe from here it has just eroded down. So massive trees of fossilized trees we are finding here. But this is it. Now you see the barks are very well preserved. Why barks are very well preserved in the sand? The internal structure of it is the xylem and the phloem is replaced by silica, and silica being slightly coarse grained, the entire internal structure of it is disturbed. But barks being highly thick, the silica content is unable to replace it fully, so the barks are preserved. So that is the continuation of it, and it continues here. All these, and here also behind this we are seeing very good preserved thick fossilized wood. So this is a huge tree trunk, but it is also not complete. We are not finding the roots and also not the top. So here the preserved length of this fossilized tree trunk is about 50 feet, 55 feet. So that is the longest fossilized tree trunk preserved till date found in Kasauli. Steps should be taken to preserve it so that the geologist, the children,
future geologist,
whichever comes here, are able to see this, make a good impact of it, and study it. and see how the paleo environment in the past was. This trees are unable, we have not been able to analyze or understand the genus or the species of any of these trees, but the floral and faunal assemblage which we have found in the past 30 years resemble the coastal environment, and this also happens to be very near to the coast. So paleo flooding event deposited here, a very remarkable feature, unending process representing huge amount of humidity, floods, so massive rains. So impact of rains or monsoons can be seen here. But again, these are the species represent the coastal fishes, so it has to be very near, further south, not here. We cannot imagine these types of big trees deposited in this region at that time.
ABC बंद कर दें ये वाला